Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the bluefin tuna in Heartopia. So it's going to be, like the location will be around the Zephyr Sea, along these lines. So it can spawn anywhere, honestly. And the weather needs to be rainbow, and it spawns during the daytime or dawn. So dawn for me is from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then daytime is 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. It's different for every region for some reasons. Global is 7 a.m. to like 1 p.m. That's for like the dawn time, and then maybe 1 to 7 p.m. for daytime. I don't know, but you're just going to fish around that area. You'll need to be level 9 of the fishing hobby. And I did use the mermaid attractor, but I think you can use without it. It's just a little bit easier. And the shadow for it is the big one, of course. This is what the bluefin tuna looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.